your HP laptop speakers are making a crackling sound, this video is for you. I'll show you the 5 best working methods for Windows 10 and Windows 11 that can help fix or significantly reduce the crackling sound on your laptop. So, without wasting any time, let's get started. Step 1. Right-click the Start button and open Device Manager. Then expand Sound, Video, and Game Controllers. Right-click your audio device, such as Realtek Audio, and select Update Driver. Now click Search automatically for drivers. If the problem is still not fixed, right-click the audio device again and select Uninstall Device. If you see the attempt to remove the driver option, check it and click Uninstall. After that, restart your laptop. Windows will automatically reinstall the driver. If needed, switch to high-definition audio device. For the complete process, check the comment. Step 2. Open Settings, go to System, then Sound. Scroll down and open all sound devices. Select your speakers. Scroll down to Audio Enhancements and turn it off. Now play some audio and check if the crackling sound is gone. Step 3. Open Settings, go to System, then Sound. Scroll down and click More Sound Settings. Under the Playback tab, double-click Speakers. Open the Advanced tab. Under Default Format, choose either 16-bit 44,100 Hz or 16-bit 48,000 Hz. Click Test to hear the sound, then click OK. Choose the format that sounds best and keep that option selected. Step 4. Open Settings, go to System, then scroll down and open Troubleshoot. Click Other Troubleshooters. Find Audio or Playing Audio and click Run. Follow the on-screen instructions and apply any recommended fixes. If you're asked to restart your laptop, do so. Step 5. Open your browser and visit the official HP support website. Under the Product Support section, select your device. Enter your HP laptop model number or scroll down and choose Sound under Common Issues. Download the latest audio driver for your version of Windows. Run the downloaded driver installer and complete the installation. Once the installation is finished, restart your laptop. Still having the problem? Share it in the comments. Thanks for watching.